automated system that can handle most inquiries. If, after using this system, your question is not answered, please stay on the line and a representative will be with you shortly.
Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one location to another. Modes of transport include air, road, water, rail, internet, cable, pipeline, time, and space. Logistics is the management of the flow of goods and people. Time is one of 7 universal quantities. Manage your time, control logistics, move through space. Don't be late.
End of message.